Hello friends! Welcome to my channel again, and today I want to share with you again another simple vegetarian meal. And today I have again my vegan burger. And together with my vegan burger, I am going to eat this together with my chickpeas, with fermented garlic, and I'm going to make a carrots beetroot salad, and of course rice is life. I am not going to use bread for my burger, but I have my rice. I'm going to warm up this together with fermented garlic as well. So this is my vegetarian